5 former Rankin County, Mississippi Sheriff's Office deputies and a former Richland, Mississippi officer, all of them white, received prison terms for their dehumanizing abuse of 2 innocent black men, including physical and sexual assaults, racist taunting, and firing a gun into one victim's mouth. Working together, these defendants broke into the victim's home, arrested them without probable cause, handcuffed them, tased them, held them down and poured liquids into their mouths, and sexually abused them, in addition to shooting one victim in the mouth. The defendants then tried to cover up the crimes. And in a separate incident, one defendant beat and threatened another person to coerce a confession while 2 other defendants stood by. Seeking to drive their black victims out of town, defendants treated them like no human being should ever be treated. But they didn't anticipate the victims' courage to come forward and tell the truth. They thought they'd get away with it. They sought to send a message, but we sent one instead. The Justice Department will not tolerate police misconduct. Officers are not above the law in our country. We will seek accountability. Law enforcement officers will suffer consequences and receive severe sentences when they abuse their authority. By holding these officers accountable, we're making clear that law enforcement abuse of black people or any American will not be tolerated in our country. The lawlessness and impunity that fueled the defendants' misconduct not only harmed these victims, but also stripped away the community's sense of security and eroded public trust in the police. I want to thank the dedicated prosecutors from the Civil Rights Division, the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Southern District of Mississippi, the Mississippi Attorney General's Office, the FBI, and the Mississippi Bureau of Investigation for working together on this case. To the people of Mississippi, we hear you and we see you, and we will continue to fight for justice across your communities.